Hello, 7th grade students and families. Mrs. Cat here. Just wanted to show you our classroom. Here we are at room, wait for it, 16. There we go. I cannot wait for the time that I can show you inside in person. We'll be back here at some point. But for now, a brief tour of the social studies wing. Here we are. We have a peek of the ocean from down here at room 16. But for right now, it's a bit foggy. And from the classroom, you will see this lovely hillside, which is awesome rabbit habitat. We have a lot of bunnies. And now behind me, you will see the rest of the wing, which is Miss Wendorf's classroom in 15, Miss Myers / Raudebush in room 14, and Miss Lisea at the very end there. So if you walk all the way down this corridor, you will end up at my classroom, room 16. And someday we will all be able to go on inside together. But for now, let's see if we can get in virtually. Hello and welcome to room 16. This is actually the inside of our classroom at school, and sometimes I'll be using it as a virtual background. Like you, I am going to be working mainly from my home office. But I wanted to give you a little peek of what it looks like in person. The desks move around a lot, and they'll probably be in different spots when we head back, but you can see there's that rabbit habitat that I was talking about outside, as well as some standing tables and some other different cultural features that you might notice in the room, like our East Asian lanterns up here, sometimes called Chinese lanterns. We have a Mexican blanket or serape over there, and we have some items from South Asia in the front of the classroom, which is out of view. So as you may have already heard in social studies, we will be traveling around the world, checking out different places and different cultures. This is our first unit, will take us to Latin American cultures like the Maya, the Aztec, and the Inca. And here is a Maya temple at Chichen Itza. So some of you may have even been there yourselves. We will also head across the Atlantic to South Asia. This is the Golden Temple. It's in India. And we will head around the Middle East, Persia, the Islamic world, and over to East Asia, China, Japan, to Africa. We have a lot of miles to cover this year, but I'm really excited. It's a really fun class. Little bit about myself. I am from the area. I grew up in SLO. I met my husband in the first grade, which is crazy. We've been married over half of our lives now. Super crazy. There he is in the background there. This was a cool Mother's Day picnic that they made for me. And here's my 3 kids. Little Santino, that's Big Santino. Over there, Bear, and that's Camille. And one of my favorite things to do, I will show you, is picnic. I mean, come on. And it's at Shell Beach. It was great. Another thing about me that you may have heard. I am an animal lover. This is a usual day at my house. Cat Bug right there. That is Rona Zuzu and Smith, our red lab, lounging around. One more cat not pictured, Lilu. So whether we are traveling on virtual field trips or in our virtual classroom, I am excited. I hope you're excited. It's going to be a great year. We're going to have some cool discussions. We are going to delve into so many things, learn about ourselves, and I'm going to be learning with you. So I can't wait to get going. Don't forget to answer the question below this video to show me that you were able to log in, that you watched it, and then check back next week at your normal assigned class time, and we will have our first synchronous instruction. Until then, have a great first day and a great weekend.